Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
Creating an Apple ID is essential for accessing Apple services like the App Store, iCloud, iTunes, iMessages, FaceTime, and more. So, here's a complete guide on how to create an Apple ID. So, let's get started. Firstly, launch the Settings app on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod. Once done, if you are not signed in already, you will see the option to sign in with the Apple ID and tap this option. Now, tap on the Don't Have an Apple ID or Forgot It at the bottom. Now, start with entering your details. Enter your first name and last name, then choose your birth date. This is used for account security and age verification. Now simply tap on the continue option available there. You can use your existing email address or create a new iCloud email, example your name at @icloud.com as well. Now create a strong password with at least 8 characters including uppercase, lowercase letters and a number, and this will be used to secure your Apple ID. Now all you have to do is verify your Apple ID using your phone number. Enter the phone number, then Apple will send a verification code to the phone number you provided, and all you have to do is click on the SMS and enter your phone number code. So that is it. By following these steps, you can easily create an Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.